What's going on, boys? Back again with another video. Y'all can see we got a bag full of parts. Well, it's not all parts, to be honest. It's like some tire shining stuff, but I got some muffler tips, and if you guys want to get anything for your car, feel free to check out my website, link in the description. This is my product as well, so this is my muffler tip that I sell. I have a few more as well. I have for like M340i and stuff, but as y'all can see, it's real carbon fiber, and it says M on there. It's just because it's in the plastic, y'all can't really see much. But we're installing these tips on the car today, and that's not all. That's just the final touches. So along with the tips, I am installing a new diffuser. I'm going to show y'all in a second. So right now it's just the stock diffuser, stock muffler tips, and yeah, we're going to transform the rear end a little bit today. I've been waiting to do this mod because right now the rear end is looking a little bit too stock for me. Same with the front. I could definitely use like a front lip and stuff, but you know, slowly but surely cars coming together. And this is the diffuser I am going to be using. So it's glossy black. Like I said, I'm not going to go with carbon fiber because the price of real carbon fiber is through the roof, and I'm not trying to use any fake carbon in the car. Plus the car is black, so I'm just going for a blacked out look. So it is a glossy black diffuser. It's a little bit different from the one I had on my last car, on the 335i, and it has a brake light. And I might be getting new tail lights soon as well. I'm just rocking these ones for now because they are the LCI tail lights. My last car was the pre-LCI one, so I'm still like enjoying these ones a little bit. I'm probably gonna get the GTS style, but yeah, that's pretty much all we're doing to the car today. So I'll give y'all a little walk around in a second. And I'm also installing something on the Challenger today. This is not my car, by the way, it's my uncle's car, but if y'all can see, I got the BMW like door light thing. Obviously it's daytime, so y'all won't see it right now, but I got some for his car that says RT because it is a Challenger RT. Let me give y'all a little walk around of it real quick. Yes sir. This thing is crazy fast too. I can only imagine what a Hellcat feels like because this is a RT, so I think this is like the second highest you can get. I think after this is probably the 392 and then the Hellcat, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, this thing is sick, and I got some of the door lights for him because he saw it on my car and he's like, yo, that's sick, bro. But yeah, a little walk around of my car. I can see this thing is always dirty, bro. It's hard to keep a black car clean. That's what everyone told me before I got it. Oh shit, what the bro, damn, I'm already messing up the diffuser. It's not even on the car yet, bro. Nah, damn, bro, look at that. Fucking hell. Damn, I got it a little bit scratched up. Could have been worse. I can't complain, it could have been worse, but damn, I don't know why I put it there, bro. Fuck, I wasn't thinking. Y'all see this little behind the scenes stuff, bro? A lot of people cut these things out, but I try to show you guys everything, bro. That's just careless of me, to be honest. But yeah, if y'all keep checking my videos, you guys would have already seen I did the M Sport mirror caps, I blacked out the reflectors, I got the double stack kidney grille, white V-brace bar, and I think that's pretty much it for mods so far. So the car is still looks kind of stock, to be honest. And I got a little carbon fiber trim right there, and I ordered the rest of them for like there and the little door panels and stuff. But that's about it, bro. As y'all can see, the diffuser is off right now. That is the stock one, but yeah, that's what it's looking like. And before I even put on the new tips, y'all can see, or before I put on the new diffuser, I got to remove this little notch. So basically the muffler tips, you just hit it off. The stock ones, you can't pull it off by hand, it's on there way too tight, so you just use a hammer or something, hit the back of it, it will come right off. But that little thing right there, that little flange, you're gonna have to cut that off with some kind of like steel cutter or something, because the new tips are not gonna go over that, because that thing is gonna restrict it from going all the way back. Don't even try to do it with a hacksaw blade, bro. I tried that before and that's just gonna take you like days to cut. It was only like 8 screws that you had to remove, and you just pull the diffuser off. It's just clipped in at the top, so once you got the screws removed, you just pull on the diffuser and it just comes right off. So I didn't even get to record us putting this on, but this is what it looks like. Yeah, that is clean, bro. Let me show y'all the interior real quick. That thing's crazy, and it's manual, bro. So I know a lot of y'all are gonna like that, bro. You barely find any cars that are manual, but that's sick. And I'm just recording on my phone, so it might sound a little bit different, but I can't even see the car. I'm just drying it off right now. Gave it a quick little wash, but the diffuser looks sick, the muffler tip looks sick. So I'm going to show you a little clip once it's all dried up and everything, and then I'm going to show you guys a clip tomorrow when it's daytime, so I can actually see what's going on. All right, y'all, it's hella dark outside, so I know you guys won't see anything much, but I'll show y'all a better clip tomorrow, and I'll put it in this video as well. But y'all can see I'm kind of using the flashlight on my phone, see if you guys can see any better, but this is what it's looking like. And when I tell y'all, bro, this thing looks sick. Like, after seeing this diffuser, I don't think I could ever like go back to the regular one, bro. This one looks way better. I know y'all can't see, bro, because it's a bunch of lights, but y'all get a little idea of what it looks like. All right, y'all, I'm actually making the clip tonight because I was passing this gas station. I'm like, might as well just pull up here, show you guys what's up. But the car's looking hella clean. I tell you, bro, when black cars are clean, and they are clean, but they're super hard to keep clean though. But that's what it's looking like. I know everything is on the back. I don't know why I'm walking around the front. I just want to show you guys how clean it looks. But yeah, with the new tints and everything, 15%, and that's what it's looking like, bro. Y'all probably can't even see that good still, but yeah, it should be good enough. Damn, bro, I swear this diffuser is crazy. I want to show you guys the, actually I think I can show y'all. Let me put the GoPro down because it has like a little stand. I think if I put it right here, y'all should be able to see. I'm just gonna hit the brake and show you guys how it flashes real quick. I hope it flashed. I don't even know. I think it did. It should have. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. And then the muffler tips. Oh, you can't even really see the M on there. Let me just grab my flashlight real quick. But yeah, that's it, bro. Damn, that shit looks crazy. And as y'all see, bro, it's glossy black diffuser. It's not even carbon fiber. And it still looks hella good. I feel like it flows well with the car. Like, you know, not having like fake carbon, I feel like looks better. If you can afford the real carbon, then 100% that's gonna look the best. But you know, the glossy black definitely goes well with the all black vibe that I'm trying to get. But yeah, that's pretty much all. I got some new mods coming in as well. I don't know if I should keep it a secret or I should tell you guys. Wait, I'm not even sure if in the video I'm gonna show you guys a whole tutorial on how I did this, because it did take a little while and it wasn't the most straightforward thing. I don't got a proper explanation, bro, because I'm not the best at doing like electrical stuff, but it ended up working. So it's not hard though, it's not crazy hard. I just don't know the words to explain it. But you pretty much connect that light down there up to your taillight harness. The taillight harness is just a little thing, the little plug that goes into the taillight to give it the power. And yeah, I did keep on the flashing light like I said, because I think it looks pretty cool. I thought it was bad at first, but I actually like it. For the muffler tips, as y'all saw in the video, I did have to cut the little flange off, and then I just put this one over it. And this is a bolt-on muffler tip. Some of them are welded on, but these ones are bolt-on. So if you guys want to grab any, like I said, check out my website. And you pretty much just put it on the pipe, and the camera is fogging up, but you put it on the pipe, and y'all can see there's a little bolt right there. So yeah, you just put that on, bro, and you just tighten it up. That's super simple. That's the easiest part of everything. So yeah, just tighten that up. Yeah, that's what the end result looks like. Car is coming together, bro. Super proud. And I'm making it completely different from the 335i.